What's up guys? Today I've got my hands on the new Xiaomi Pad 6. So this is a new flagship tablet featuring a Snapdragon chipset, impressive 2.8K display with 144Hz refresh. You have Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, along with TÜV Rheinland certifications and lots more. But the actual price should now be revealed, so do check out the links in the description box so you can see the latest launched price. Okay, so let's talk design. This is an attractive premium looking tablet. It's made from an aluminium alloy body and is finished in this gravity grey colour. You can also pick this up in champagne and mist blue. The tablet is actually thinner than most smartphones out there, with a thickness of only 6.51mm, and it weighs only 490 grams. Now I really do like that matte finish. It barely picks up fingerprints or smudges. Camera bump also looks quite interesting with the square design. You have a single 13 megapixel camera, dual LED flash, and I think you need to ignore that second lens as it just looks like a filler. And speaking of cameras, here is a quick walkthrough of the camera app. So you have documents, video, photo, night mode, and more, under which you have a few more options to play with, including dual mode, where you can shoot with both front and rear cameras at the same time. Photo quality is generally good in good lighting situations, and here are a few samples for you guys to check out. And in case you're wondering about video, this tablet will shoot at 4K 30, and this is what the quality looks like. Now for ports, at the bottom you can see we have two speaker grills, a microphone hole, and a Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 port, which supports data transfer, fast charging at 33 watts, and it also supports display out at 4K 60. On this side, we have a volume rocker at the top. We've got another microphone hole, and this part over here is actually a wireless charger for the Xiaomi Pen, which I'll show you in a bit. And another microphone hole. And at the top, we have power button and two more speakers. So this tablet has 4 speakers. We have 2 on each side firing, supporting Dolby Atmos, high-res audio, and high-res audio wireless. Now, quick look at what you get inside the box. So we have our paperwork, user manuals, etc. We've got a Type-C to USB-A cable, and a 33 watt fast charger is included in the box. Now there are a few optional extras that I quickly want to show you. So these are the optional accessories. I want to give you a quick demo of them all. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Pen. This is the Gen 2 version, and it works via Bluetooth. And to pair and charge the actual pen, you just place the pen on top. So over here, what looks like a fingerprint sensor is actually the charger or the connector for the pen. So if you just place the pen on top, you will see the battery indicator appear, letting you know how much charge you have left in your pen. The first time you do that, it's going to automatically pair with your tablet, as long as your tablet's Bluetooth is on. So this is now fully operational. You can see it's working fine. It gives you the Apple Pencil vibe. There is 2 buttons on here. If you press the first button, it will allow you to immediately start drawing. Really nice quality pen. And if you are an artist, you could probably make use of it. All right, let's come out of this. So the second button lets you take screenshots. So you could simply press the button and then drag a diagonal line and hit save, and you can immediately take a screenshot of anything you like. We also got 2 cases. This is the Xiaomi Pad 6 cover. So the tablet just sits in place and you close the flap. And you can see you've got the cutout for the cameras. Everything sits nice and flush. So you can prop this up as a stand and use the tablet on a desktop if you need to. And we have the Xiaomi Pad 6 keyboard cover. Put the tablet in place and then it just holds itself within that groove. And you've got a chiclet style keyboard, full QWERTY keyboard. Keys are kind of compact in size, and you get around 1.5mm of travel. And the best part about the keyboard, it connects instantly as soon as you dock the tablet, because you do have these pogo pins which connect to the back of the case. So as soon as you drop it down on the case, the keyboard is active. Now let's talk about that gorgeous display. It's an 11-inch IPS display. We have 144Hz refresh and 309 pixels per inch. Screen resolution is 2800 by 1800, and you get 99% DCI-P3 color gamut with up to 550 nits of peak brightness, and this features HDR10, Dolby Vision, and this has TUV Rheinland certifications for low blue light. The screen is no doubt really nice, super bright, beautiful colors, nice aspect ratio, great screen for all your multimedia consumption, especially with that Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos sound. So impressive display, but what about the performance? Well, the Xiaomi Pad 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 870, which is a 7nm octa-core clocked at 3.2 GHz combined with the Adreno 650 integrated graphics. For RAM and storage, we have the 8+128 variant, so that's LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. But there are other options available, so do check out the links in the description box for more info. Furthermore, this tablet has a Google Widevine Level 1 certification. And if we have a quick look at CPU-Z, you can check out the clock speeds and you can see we are indeed running the Adreno 650. And the benchmark results, Geekbench 6 first of all, achieving single core score of 1221 and multi-core score of 3102. And in the Antutu benchmark test, we achieved 746K. Now let's talk gaming. The Xiaomi Pad 6 has plenty of power and performance to run any app or game from the Play Store. So if we check out COD Mobile graphics settings, you can see that the maximum selectable for graphics and frame rate is very high and max at the same time. So this tablet has certainly been well optimized for gaming as expected from Snapdragon. So let's go ahead and check out some gameplay.
Capture the objectives. We're capturing A. We captured A. Enemy has C. Enemy taking Charlie. Headshot. Captured B. Sentry gun ready to deploy. Sentry gun deployed. Enemy down. Targets in sight. Target down. Enemy down. Target down.
Furthermore, this tablet has a massive 8,840 mAh battery capacity, which will last you nearly 2 days with medium to normal usage. And the included 33-watt fast charger will get you from 0 to 100% in just 2 hours. So that's quite a big battery to charge up. It takes just under 2 hours to fully charge it, but it does last pretty long. Furthermore, you have Android 13 with MIUI 14 on top. Other extras, we've got Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, Bluetooth 5.2, we have all Google services included as standard, so complete Play Store, YouTube, Gmail, everything is there with no limitations. And also, you're not getting any bloatware included either, which is definitely a plus point. So there you have it, guys. That was the Xiaomi Pad 6, an impressive tablet with so many features jam-packed into a tablet no thicker than 6.51mm. I absolutely love the display with HDR10 and Dolby Vision. It's simply beautiful to watch movies and videos on this tablet. The sound is equally immersive, quad speakers, side firing, 2 on each side, and when you're watching a movie you can absolutely feel the sound separation and that surround sound effect that you get from Dolby Atmos. And the screen aspect ratio is great. It's not too wide, so when you're watching movies you're not going to get those 2 black bars on top. With this tablet you are watching more or less full screen. Also, I really enjoyed playing games like COD Mobile, which is my favorite. Cameras are decent enough, they do the job. I wasn't expecting much from them, but saying that, they were actually slightly better than I expected them to be. Now, this tablet doesn't have a fingerprint reader, but it's got a super fast face unlock. Probably one of the fastest I've ever tested. As soon as you press that power button, it recognizes your face and takes you to the desktop. Another thing I do want to mention, if we go to display settings, you've got 144 Hz refresh rate. It will automatically change the refresh rate from 30 Hz all the way up to 144 Hz. If you wanted to switch off the automatic refresh rate, you can have 60 Hz all the time, 90 Hz all the time, or even 144 Hz all the time. We do have an AI image engine, some features under there. You've got AI HDR enhancements and you've got MEMC. Both are switched off by default. So bottom line, a great all-round Android tablet with plenty of features and extras to keep you busy. The links are in the description box in case you want to grab one for yourself. That being said, thank you so much for watching and I hope you all have an amazing day. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.